Number 4, Hepburn pass to begin running by the Devil in Disguise. North Harbor rising up is Make No Mistake. Hepburn, Devil in Disguise, North Harbor down on the inside, Make No Mistake. Wolf Run, Dreaming Again, moving up is Reporter De Vega. Third last, St. Mark and Royal Milestone. Hepburn by some 3 lengths, followed by Devil in Disguise. Make no mistake, racing on the outside, Wolf Run De Vega, rising up to take 5th, and on the outside is Dreaming Again, Reporter, North Harbor, St. Mark, and Royal Milestone. Rounding the far turn, Hepburn, Make No Mistake, rising up to grab the lead. Make no mistakes, now the leader, Hepburn, Devil in Disguise, Wolf Run, Dreaming Again, racing in fifth by Doral De Vega as they race the final corner. Make no mistake by some 3 lengths now. Hepburn running down on the inside, rising up St. Mark. In between runners, Wolf Run, Dreaming Again, Ebelis in Disguise, and De Vega. And nearing the finish line, Make no mistake by 5 lengths. And finally, Make no mistake, Hepburn, Mark, me again, Devil in Disguise, for your Ventafecta. Then comes Wolf Run, De Vega, Reporter.